What's going on, everyone? Back in the channel, back with my brother again. So as you guys can see below, we're gonna zoom in right now, but we got a lot more parts. So at least my brother got more parts for his Jeep YJ. So another installation of a bunch of parts. So stay tuned on this one. And the Jeep's gonna completely turn around once again with these new parts. We're probably not gonna install everything just because it's gonna require more time, but a lot of the big stuff that we have here, we're gonna get that going. So come with us, walk with us, and we're gonna install everything and see how the Jeep turns around. So as you guys can see, a bunch of hardware. You got some front and rear bumpers. You got two new brand new seats and a tire carrier. You guys can see right there, new railing. So a bunch of goodies here. So real quick, what else did you get, bro?
I can't even remember what, but door locks, hinges. I got the roll bar, cage cover. I don't even know what this is called.
Cargo net.
Cargo net, yeah. For the
There we go.
Seats, the center console, the running boards, front bumper, rear bumper, tire carrier. Oh man, too many things to list.
You excited?
We're excited. We're gonna be rolling my brother here pretty soon. That's the exciting part.
So we're gonna start off with something simple with the Rampage product, the roll bar cover. So we're gonna install that real quick, and that way we can tighten the bikini top. As I have my apprentice working there, we're gonna open up a brew real quick. All right, so it's Saturday evening, just gonna relax. So let's open up a brew. All right, you always gotta drink something when you're working. All right, so there you guys have it. Just kidding, it's just a mug of root beer. All right, I don't drink beers. Sorry. Refreshing. So I'm just gonna be supervising, let my brother experience what it is to build a Jeep. You guys know I already built my Jeep, so I'm gonna let my brother build the Jeep. Just gonna supervise him, stuff that he doesn't know. I'm gonna cut. That's where I come in, and I'm gonna help him out. So some of the things I'm gonna be helping out with, I'm gonna be doing another video, is taking out really rusted bolts. So that's gonna require a torch to heat up those bolts to extract them out, to expand that rust. And I'm gonna go more into detail about that once we do that. So right now we're just gonna let him work, and I'm just gonna oversee. Of course I'm gonna join in because I love working on Jeeps and on vehicles. But I'm gonna let him, like I said, let him experience and get it going. So here we go. Make sure you always have a root beer with you. So there we go, guys. This is the first part of the Rampage product for the front part of the roll bar. As you guys see, really simple. Zoom in. Just gotta line the zippers. You guys can see my apprentice is having a hard time, but he's learning. He's got it. So anyone can do this. So there you guys have it. There you go. It's installed. So it's not that bad. Not a bad product. Very easy. There you have it. We can exchange it. If you want to do that, you do have some room inside. You guys can see. You want to put extra cushioning inside. So very good. All right, let's go to the back part. So very easy in configuration, as you guys can see. Just gonna put it around the roll bar like that. Very simple. It'll look great. So we're gonna struggle with this real quick. Just get it all together, and then we're gonna show you the final product of it. Alright, just one key detail about this roll bar padding is that you are going to have to cut some holes for the roll bar bolt right here. So you guys can see right here, this doesn't come with it. So you're going to have to install a hole right here. So in order for that bolt to go through, as well as the other side. So the easiest way to do this, at least the way I found it, you see my brother over there working already. You have to take out these bolts right here. Okay, so you have to remove this portion of the roll bar out in order to make those cuts on the padding. So you have to do it on the inside and on the outside. Okay, so make sure if you're gonna install this on your Jeep YJ, you're gonna have to do that. I'm pretty sure it's the same for the TJs as well. So that's what we're gonna have to do. So let me show you real quick on the other side. You guys can see right there, there's no holes there. So that's one key detail about it. It doesn't come pre-made. That's something you have to install or just cut out yourself. So both sides, Same thing. Okay, so that should be simple. So we're gonna cut those out and then show you guys. So there you go. The front roll bar is removed. So you gotta make sure you line it up. Sorry about the image right there, but just right here, you have to press down and just kind of like get a feel for it, where the hole's at. This hole is sounds kind of weird, I know, but where the bolt hole is on the roll bar, and that's where you're gonna have to cut right now. So we're just gonna get a razor and just cut that up. There you go. You get the feel, you get the razor out, and start. Just make a small cut right there on both sides. Gotta zoom
just
in.
did it next.
Okay, just do it next. See on this side. Same thing. There you go. And that's.
Put the bolt in.
Take a close look, guys. There you go. See? Very simple. That's all you gotta do. It's probably the most tedious portion of this installation, but other than that, that's it. And then you throw back the roll bar like so, and you guys can do the rest. So there you guys have it. That's the close-up detail that I want to show you guys. That's it. After that, just zip it up, bolt it on, and you're done. Okay, so there it is. Bolts installed, roll bar padding is going on. So like I said, that's the one detail that I wanted to zoom in. And of course you are going to need one for the seatbelt, because the seatbelt is going to be installed right here. So you're going to have to cut it out. But right now, since we don't have new seatbelts, my brother's still going to have to order that part. We're going to wait on that. So just remember that you're going to have to, that's very simple. You don't have to remove anything on that one. So up next is the cargo net. So this is one exciting thing. I wish I could have gotten this for my Jeep, but you do need this different roll bar, the family roll cage or roll bar, whatever you want to call it. And that one's gonna fit nice and tight there. So you're gonna have to put it all on the railing. So we're gonna get that going, and then we'll take a look at it. The night is still young, but we lost the sunlight, so we had to install the lights. But here we go, guys. Check it out. The cargo net. Looks cool. There's that safari looking view to it. So it complements the doors. The two doors, perfect. Let's take a look around. It looks great. We're gonna mock up the seats. As you all know, my brother does have plans to paint his Jeep, so we're just mocking everything up. So now we're gonna install the seat brackets real quick, and then throw on the seat just to get a look of it. But it's looking great already. So as you guys see, the seats are over here. These are Smitty built seats, very comfortable seats. So we're gonna put those on next. Check it out, guys. Pretty cool seats, nice leather, very comfortable. These are the same exact ones I have on my Jeep. Obviously, I have a cover on mine. These are great. So underneath, as you can see, we're gonna have to install the bolts right there. There's two different areas, I guess, for various Jeeps. So we're gonna install them real quick. They're kind of heavy, but very simple. So there you guys have it. You guys see? It looks different already, right? So the seats are installed, or mocked up at least, and you guys can see there the center console. Now we just mocked that up as well, just because my brother wanted to see how it looked. We're gonna go more into detail with that one. Obviously we have to bolt it down, so that one's gonna be another video. But for now, it looks good already. So that's it for that part. Let's zoom out a little bit. Well, what do you think so far, bro? Good investment.
Really good. Can't wait to try it.
So now we're going to the back of the Jeep. You guys can see there the EGA tubular bumper. My brother's wrestling with it. We're gonna figure out how to install it. There was some modifications done to the rear frame for certain reasons, which I'm not gonna explain right now because there's gonna be a separate video to that, as I mentioned in my previous videos. But we're gonna try to bolt that on. The rear frame on this one isn't too bad, because on my Jeep it was pretty messed up. Yep, hella banned, and actually there was parts broken. You guys can see most of the rear bumper holes are there, but I do see some modification done at this corner right here. You guys can see right here. There's a little bit of modifications done there. I don't know why, but hopefully that shouldn't be an issue. So we're gonna try to put that on, and what a transformation it is already. So as you guys can see, chairs are in, the roll bar padding is on, the center console is on, the cargo net is on. We're gonna end it here. I know we have more parts to install. I said we we're gonna install, but you know what? We're gonna end it here just to keep curiosity going. Keep you guys tuned into my channel. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. But final thoughts, bro. What do you think so far of what we did tonight?
I'm ready to go, man. I want this thing to start up and pair up and go down to the desert and start off-roading, man.
Yep. Hit the mountains, hit them trails, and get it going. So you guys saw one transformation. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna keep installing more stuff. We got the front bumper and the rear bumper to install. So more stuff coming along. So don't forget to check out the channels, check out the video, and we'll see you on the next one. Later, guys.